Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I've been getting requests on how to apply false lashes, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today, so stay tuned. Metro Boomin wants some more. So when applying false lashes, the best thing to do is first apply your mascara. So first you want to apply, so what I do, like I was talking about in my previous video, is I like to take my mascara brush, lay it down on my actual lashes, and go like this and shake it back and forth. And sometimes I do this thing where I open my eyes wide, I shake back and forth, and then I blink. And it always seems to accentuate a lot more of my lashes. So you see what I mean? You put it on your lash, you go back and forth, and you blink at the same time. So it's... So I do that for the top lashes. And yeah, sometimes you might get a little bit of black mascara on top, but if you have like black liner or if you are just doing eyeshadow, it always can be masked, especially when you put your lashes on. It could always end up hiding behind your false lashes. So I would recommend that you use tweezers. Whatever tweezer you think is best for you. If you have a great grip on it, that's what's best to use. So I wouldn't recommend using something that's too long like this, because you want to get something that has a grip and it's close so that you can go in and go on top of your lashes like that. So you see the difference between these two? Even though it's a little bit bigger, a little bit more longer, that's not something you want to use. You want to use something that has like a little grippage like this, so you can hold your tweezers together and grip down and hold them correctly right on top of your lashes. You need tweezers. You need this duo eyelash adhesive. This is my favorite. I would recommend this one over the, I think it's the duo eyelash adhesive, but not in clear white. It dries down black, but that's not what I would recommend. All you need last is your lashes. These are my favorite lashes. Oh my gosh. I recently made this purchase, and last time I checked, they were actually out of stock. But if they're in stock, I'm gonna put the link down below, and I'm telling you, these are to die for. I love these lashes, and I've been getting questions on where and what lashes they are. So they're the Pretty Little Lash Couture lashes in the style Public Affair. What I'm gonna do is, the best thing for me when I first buy lashes and I want to apply them, the method I use is go like this, back and forth. So obviously I'm going to remove that glue strip before I apply, but this is what I like to do, because when you do this, you're actually bending the lashes and giving them some type of formity. But when you leave them like how they first came in the package, it's not going to sit on your eye the right way. You're going to have to play around with it, lay it around, pull it all over around the place. You don't want to do that. You want to be able to do this just a little bit, maybe like for 10 seconds, do that. And then after that, you would go ahead and apply your lashes. So I'm just going to quickly take off the glue. And with this lash, I feel like the band isn't too thick and it isn't too thin. So it's perfect if applying to your lash line. And it doesn't feel like you have something like sitting on your eye. So what you want to do is take your tweezers and take your lash, right? You want to put it in the center of your eyelash. So it will look like this. Let me see if it can focus. So it look like this, okay? Take your adhesive glue and put it along the band of your eyelash. Let me see if it'll focus. Focus for me. Okay. So you want to put the eyelash glue right along here. Okay. So be very careful with this glue, because even though you might put the smallest pressure on, a lot will come off. So after applying your glue, this is exactly what you want it to look like. Sorry, just turning it around for you guys. You want to put enough, but not too much on your lash band. It's very important to have enough glue on the center, but you want to focus a little bit more on the outer parts, but be careful not to get the glue on the lashes. I've had so many errors with that, and then it like gets clumpy, it sticks all together, and it's hard to remove because you just applied it and it just dried down. But once you've worn it and all that stuff and then you're about to take them off, if you want to reuse them, make sure you take off the glue that's on the lashes. But then when you're trying to reuse them again, you can take the glue off of the lash strip and reapply them. So the next step I'm going to do is blow on these lashes. That's the best way to have the drying process quicken. But at the same time, you want to time it. So I'm going to time mine for about, I want to say 65 seconds. I know that may seem long, but believe me, it takes a very long time to dry down, but not dry all the way. Make sure it's tacky still. You don't want it to be too dry that it won't even sit on your lashes. So always look for the tackiness of the lashes. Sometimes when I apply, it's still wet, but it's a little bit more dried down than it was when I first applied it. So it's just easier to move around sometimes, but that's because I've had more experience with it. But I would say wait till it's tacky to apply it onto your lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and time it right now. All right, so now that my lashes may not be super tacky, but they are tacky enough for me, I'm going to apply them to my lashes. So this is how you put them on. So you take it directly, you angle it up. Don't ever put it directly like this because it won't sit on your lash line. You want to take your tweezers, angle them into your lashes, like so, and put them as close to your lash line. That's how you'll be able to make them the most natural looking. Take it and make sure it's sitting on your lash line correctly. Make sure the center. I always focus on the center first before I go on the outer parts because that's like the hardest part for me, is to make sure that it's centered right. And then you take your lashes towards the end like this. And then you go in and you make sure that this part of your lashes is sitting correctly. And make sure to be very careful that they're not sitting on your lashes because it's so painful taking them off. Believe me, I've been there. I like to just double check to make sure. And if it's not sitting correctly on your lash line, you can always do this. You can always, if it's tacky, you're able to go ahead and like play around with it. That's why it's very important. Rather than when it's wet, it'll slip all over the place. But if it's tacky, believe me, you'll be able to pick it up and place it down again and not just wait for it to dry on. And so this is what I do. I make sure I go in. If it's not sitting all the way, I like to press my lashes into the false lashes. I like to press them together. And that's what gets you a more closer lash line look. Make sure you measure your lashes first before you go ahead and apply them to your eyes, because you can't wear your lashes all the way here. It will literally make your eyes water and it'll feel like something is sitting on top of your eye. The reason why I feel like these lashes do not feel like there's something on my eye actually is because of the fact that I made sure to measure them to my eye. This is what your lashes should look like.